It seems to be a matter of yesterday when we all met during our orientation, unaware of the fact that we are on the verge of transition. A transition from kids out of school to being professionals, adults, and getting into the professional world. There was a sense of excitement, a lot of curiosity going within our mind, like what's going to happen during this transition, who our companions going to be, what this roller coaster ride is going to give us. But before our questions could have been answered, the ride started. The ride through BMSC. And then things started getting a bit clearer in our minds when we were introduced to our department, the teachers, the college. One thing which we always admired about our college was an encouragement which our department provided for something which demands change. They always used to tell us to think differently, to think something which is out of the box. And they used to throw us to some unexpected situations. We used to curse them a bit that time, but now when we recall those moments, we see it as a method in an important phase of our life, that is making of an engineer. This encouragement led us to develop one society, that is the ISC Students Club. And guys, guess what? You guys were the first one to participate in that, and it was our batch who had successfully organized an event over there. The Lawrence didn't limit to this ISC Students Club as well. I'm blessed to have a buddy like you during my ride, to have someone who is a good representative of our college into the Melton Foundation, a popular blogger, from someone who is a great entrepreneur who has represented his idea into IIM Bangalore in the Eximius, to someone who has been the cricketer of Karnataka for the under-19 team, for someone who has been to China to represent India from Microsoft and has won the competition from our department, and as well, last but not the least, for someone who has went to represent India in Paris and had won a business tech competition defeating 6 nations. The list goes on and on. But guys, this talent and all doesn't form memories alone, right? So for that, we were considered as one of the most notorious batches. Credit goes to you and me. So that's how things had happened. The classmates which I have had, the backbenchers, the Hum Saath Now Hai group, guys, you have been awesome. I'm pretty sure that our team, the teachers, won't have this ride as easy as it would have been because we scared them all throughout the ride, right? But they always outsmarted us. They became our friends. They had an impact on our life. They were even clever enough. They formed a bond with us, a bond and attachment. But honestly, guys, I don't want to thank my teachers for this bond because it's much greater than that. And trust me, guys, we're gonna miss all you friends out here and all my teachers. This is Ankit Agarwal signing off from IIC 2013-17 batch. Thank you so much. You have been a great part of my life. Thank you, BMS.
Knowledge.